In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's battery on this Ford F-150. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Under the hood, we'll be locating the battery. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal from the battery itself. To do this, you want to go ahead and loosen up this 10mm mounting nut here. You do not need to fully remove it. Once that is loose, you can remove the terminal end. A quick inspection of both areas here for corrosion, and we'll set that aside. Let's make our way over towards the positive terminal now. Once again, using a 10mm. Go ahead and loosen that nut and remove the terminal end from the battery. Of course, a quick inspection, set that aside. Now it's time for the battery hold down. That's in between the battery and that washer fluid reservoir. Use an 8mm. There's our mounting bolt and the battery hold down plastic. We'll set this aside. Continue on to removing the battery from the vehicle. Some batteries will have a handle, others you're going to have to carefully hold from the side. Either way, be extremely careful it does not fall down. There it is, friend. Okay, let's prepare to install the battery in our vehicle. We'll carefully rest the battery down in the battery tray. Now, once you have it down, you want to continue on by pressing it towards the engine so we can install our battery hold down. Looking along the side of the battery, we can see where the hold down is going to go into. Go ahead and get this into position. We're going to start it in by hand so we're sure it's not cross-threaded in the wrong positioning. After it's started in, go ahead and snug it up. Okay, right there bottomed out, just a little bit further. Go ahead and take hold of the battery. Attempt to give it a wiggle, it should not move around. Before you install your terminal ends, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean up each one of the terminals on top of the battery. Let's use a battery terminal cleaner tool here. You can also use some fine sandpaper if necessary. Just want to try to remove any corrosion or miscellaneous debris, even a coating that might be on this. Make sure we have an area for good contact. Now let's pay attention to the battery terminal ends here. Once again, you can use sandpaper for this or just a wire brush, whatever can make its way in there. Remove any corrosion or debris. All right, now we can attach these to the battery, starting with the positive. Press it down onto the battery as far as possible. Continue on to snugging that 10mm mounting nut. Once it bottoms out, we'll just take it a little bit further here. Take hold of that wiring, make sure it's properly secured. It should not be able to shift around. That means you're not making good contact. This feels good. Continue on repeating the process. Bottomed out, tiny bit further, quick confirmation. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our battery. The next thing you want to do is start up the vehicle, let it run for a short while, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.